Welcome back to Grandma's Rustic Nest, where every season begins with a feeling. Today, we're bringing home that beautiful Pottery Barn-inspired early fall look without making everything feel too orange, too crowded, or too expensive. Think warm wood, soft linen, aged brass, cozy textures, and those little details that make a room whisper, autumn is almost here. The secret to an expensive-looking early fall home begins with color. Instead of rushing into bold pumpkins and deep oranges, start with creamy whites, warm taupes, soft camel, olive green, and touches of muted rust. Layer these gentle shades through pillows, throws, ceramics, and table linens. This creates the calm, collected foundation that makes seasonal decorating feel timeless, elegant, and beautifully curated. A Pottery Barn-inspired room feels rich because it celebrates texture. Drape a soft knit throw over the sofa, add a woven basket beside your favorite chair, and style a rustic wooden bowl with natural branches. Mix linen, cotton, rattan, aged wood, and pottery. These layers bring warmth and character, making your home feel collected over time rather than decorated overnight. Now comes the magic, styling in layers. Begin with one larger anchor piece, perhaps a ceramic vase or wooden tray. Then add smaller objects around it. A stack of vintage books, a candle, and a few soft-colored gourds can create a luxurious display. Leave breathing room between decorations. An expensive-looking home never needs every surface filled with something. For early fall, nature is your most beautiful decorating partner. Fill a simple stoneware vase with olive branches, dried hydrangeas, wheat, or softly changing leaves. Choose real-looking organic shapes rather than overly perfect arrangements. Add seasonal fruit to a wooden bowl for an effortless touch. These natural details make a home feel welcoming, relaxed, and quietly connected to the changing season outside. The most expensive-looking full decor is not about buying more. It is about choosing pieces with warmth, texture, and timeless character, then arranging them with intention. As you welcome the first hints of autumn, let your home tell a softer story. Thank you for visiting Grandma's Rustic Nest, where we make every season feel cozy, beautiful, and wonderfully like home.